Let's make roasted vegetable and lentil salad with balsamic vinaigrette. The recipe is in the description box below. Place the sliced courgette, chopped bell pepper, sliced carrot and chopped red onion on a baking tray lined with parchment paper. Drizzle the vegetables with olive oil. Season with smoked paprika, oregano, salt and pepper. Roast the vegetables in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius or 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 to 30 minutes, turning them halfway through until they are soft and slightly caramelized. In a small bowl, whisk together the balsamic vinegar, olive oil, mustard, optional maple syrup, salt and pepper. In a large bowl, combine the cooked lentils and the roasted vegetables. Pour the balsamic vinaigrette over the salad and toss gently to coat everything evenly. Sprinkle with fresh herbs and serve warm or at room temperature. Enjoy!